Hello dear student, I am going to start chemical properties of benzene. Unsaturated hydrocarbon CH2 double bond CH2 ethene react with bromine and form saturated compound 1 2 dibromoethane. It means unsaturated hydrocarbon so addition reaction and reddish brown color of bromine is disappear when ethene gas pass in a reddish brown liquid bromine ethene so addition reaction with bromine and form 1,2-dibromoethane. A reddish brown color of bromine is disappear. What benzene C6H6 is have 3 double bond. What it not show addition reaction with bromine. It means bromine reddish brown color not disappear. If benzene react with KMnO4, answer no reactions. It means पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट कलर नॉट डिसअपियर। इसका समानता ये निकला कि बेंजीन में थ्री डबल बॉन्ड है बट इट नॉट शो एडिशन रिएक्शंस। इट मींस बेंजीन बिहेव एज ए स्टेबल कंपाउंड। बेंजीन contain 3 double bond what so is a stable compound nature hydrocarbon. What benzene show substitution reactions. Example, if any electrophiles come too near of benzene, hydrogen of benzene substituted by the electrophile and formation of electrophilic substituted compound. Electrophile as chlorinium ions, NO2, nitronium ions and sulfonium ions and also methyl carbonium ions. The hydrogen of benzene substituted by the electrophilic reagent. It means benzene show the substitution reactions in place of addition reactions. Means benzene is stable hydrocarbon. Example, halogenation reactions. The halogenation of benzene progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3. For bromine, AlVr3 or FeVr3. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the chlorine. Benzene Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 range of temperature 310 to 320 Kelvin. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the chlorine and formation of chlorobenzene. Hydrogen of benzene substituted here by chlorinium ions. What is the role of AlCl3? Role of aluminum chloride. Number 1, it helps in formation of chlorinium ions. Number 2, it carrier of halogen or chlorine. Two role played by the here anhydrous aluminum chloride. First is the formation of chlorinium ion. Second is the carrier of chlorine. Reactions with bromine, similar reactions. Reaction with iodine, benzene C6H6 plus iodine I2. These reactions progress in reversible manner. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the iodine and formation of iodobenzene. This reaction is a reversible in a nature. Accordingly, Chatelier principle, the reactions progress in forward direction if concentration of reactant increase or concentration of product is decrease. तो बेटा ये तो संभव है नहीं है कि हम प्रोडक्ट की कंसंट्रेशन को कम कर दें, तो क्या करेंगे? In the presence of oxidizing agent as iodic acid HiO3, product here Hi react with oxidizing agent HiO3 and formation of water plus iodine. It means the concentration of product is decreased but concentration of iodine reactant is increased. Then reactions progress maximum in a forward direction. Next oxidizing agent is HNO3. HNO3 is strong oxidizing agent. Reaction with product here Hi. 2NO plus 4H2O plus 3I2. It means Hi here consumed and iodine here produced. Next is the oxidizing agent is HgO, mercuric oxide. Product Hi react with oxidizing agent and formation of mercuric iodide and water. It means in the presence of the oxidizing agent, Hi concentration is decreased and iodine concentration is increased. The reactions move maximum in a forward direction. Formation of hexachlorobenzene C6H6. This is the structures of benzene. Each carbon bonded with one hydrogen C6H6. The reactions progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. All hydrogen substituted by the chlorine. Then formation of hexachlorobenzene. All hydrogen of benzene substituted by the Cl, then formation of hexachlorobenzene. Next is the sulfonation reactions. Benzene C6H6 plus H2SO4 sulfuric ions, concentrate sulfuric ions, and presence of SO3 sulfur trioxide gas. It means oleum acid. Range of temperature 330 Kelvin. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the sulfonium group SO3H and formation of benzene sulfonic acid and Y product here H2O, water. This reactions is called sulfonation reactions because hydrogen substituted by the sulfonium ions, then this reaction is called sulfonation reactions. Another process is sulfonation. Benzene C6H6 and chlorosulfonic acid ClSO3H. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the sulfonium group, then this reaction is called sulfonation of benzene and formation of benzene sulfonic acid. Nitration reactions. Benzene plus concentrate HNO3 nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 a range of temperature 330 Kelvin. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the nitronium electrophile, then this reaction is called nitration of benzene and formation of nitrobenzene. And why put it here? H2O, water. Friedel-Crafts reactions. Two type reaction. First is alkylation reactions. Benzene C6H6. For alkylation, example CH3Cl. Methyl chloride or chloromethane. Cl more electronegative compared to carbon. Cl carry slight negative charge and carbon carry slight positive charge. This reaction progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 role play here formation of methyl carbonium ions. It means this bond between carbon and halogen break down in heterolytic pattern and formation of methyl carbonium ions. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the methyl carbonium ions CH3 and formation of methyl benzene or toluene and plus HCl. It means anhydrous aluminum chloride play role. Number 1, formation of methyl carbonium ions. Second, it is behave as a halogen or chlorine carrier. This reaction is why called alkylation? Because hydrogen substituted by the alkyl group, then this reaction is called alkylation reactions. With acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride means CH3 CO O CO CH3 plus benzene C6H6. This reactions progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Hydrogen substituted by the CH3CO group. Then this reaction is called, second type is acylation and formation of acetophenone and byproduct acetic acid CH3COOH, and this reaction is called acylation. Why it is called acylation? Because acetyl group substitute hydrogen from benzene and formation of acetophenone. Second is the acylation. ये भी acylation था. Hydrogen of benzene substituted by the acetyl group. Acylation is benzene plus acetyl chloride CH3COCl, and this reactions progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Hydrogen substituted by CH3CO acyl group, then this reaction is called acylation or acetylation, and formation of acetophenone COCH3. This is aromatic ketone. Name of this compound is acetophenone. And Y product HCl, ethanoyl chloride, or acetyl chloride. Hydrogen substituted by the acetyl group, that this reaction is called acylation. It means Friedel-Crafts reactions classified two categories. One is a alkylation, means hydrogen substituted by alkyl group. Second is acylation or acetylation, hydrogen substituted by the acyl group. Example, benzene react with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What is the role played by the AlCl3? First is it help in a breaking of this CCl bond in the pattern of heterolytic and formation of carbonium ions. Number 2, it is we have as a halogen carrier. Next type, addition reactions. Addition of hydrogen. C6H6 plus 3H2. Hydrogenation in the presence of nickel. Range of temperature 473 to 573 Kelvin. All double bond change into single bond and formation of C6H12, and this compound is called cyclohexane, and this is called hydrogenation of benzene or addition of hydrogen. Addition of halogen. C6H6. Reaction with chlorine in the absence of anhydrous AlCl3. यहाँ पर anhydrous AlCl3 नहीं होगा, but in the presence of sunlight. Formation of one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. Formula is C6H6Cl6. Sometimes it is called 6, 6 and 6. It is used as a insecticide. This reaction is addition of halogen on benzene. यहाँ substitution reactions नहीं हुई क्योंकि यहाँ पर कौन presence नहीं है, anhydrous AlCl3. If the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, what is the reactions? In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, reactions is halogenation or chlorination, and all hydrogen substituted by the chlorine and formation of hexachlorobenzene. This is a substitution reaction. This reaction progress in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, but in the absence of the anhydrous AlCl3 and presence of sunlight, the reactions is a addition of halogen on benzene and formation of gabaxene are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. Addition of ozone. Benzene, double bond, single, double, single, double. Addition of ozone molecules. addition of ozone always on double bond. This is the first double bond. And double bond is breakdown. First, second, third. Second and third carbon bonded with single bond. Third and fourth bonded with double bond. Double bond is a breakdown and addition of ozone. 4, 5 bonded with single bond. 5 and 6 bonded with double bond. Addition of ozone. And 6 and first bonded with single bond. This is ozonoid of benzene. 3 molecules of ozone add on benzene and formation of ozonoid of benzene. After this, the reactions with zinc and water, hydrolysis. And this bond break down in the pattern of Y cleavage. Each carbon carry one hydrogen and one oxygen and formation of glycol. This is called ozonolysis of benzene. Second, combustion of benzene. C6H6 plus O2. 12 CO2 plus 6 H2O, and eval heat is 6530 kilojoule per mole. This reaction is a exothermic in nature. This is called combustion of benzene. Oxidation of alkyl side chain. This reactions progress in the presence of acidic KMnO4 or K2Cr27 or concentrate HNO3. This is a side chain. Example, toluene or methylbenzene. Oxidation of toluene Y acidic potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate or concentrate HNO3. Side chain alkyl group carbon oxidize in carboxylic group and formation of benzoic acid. यानी आपका जो साइड चेन का कार्बन था CH3, ये किस ग्रुप में ऑक्सीडाइज होता है? This is oxidized in a carboxylic group. This is called oxidation of alkyl side chain in aromatic hydrocarbon compound. Toluene to benzoic acid. टॉलिन को बेंजोइक एसिड में कन्वर्ट करना है तो क्या प्रोसेस है हमारे पास? एसिडिक KMnO4 को ले लें, एसिडिक K2Cr27 को ले लें और कंसंट्रेट HNO3 को ले लें, तो आपका जो टॉलिन का मिथाइल ग्रुप था वह कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप में ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट देखिए इथाइल बेंजीन, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक है. इथाइल बेंजीन, दिस इज इथाइल बेंजीन and this carbon bonded with aromatic carbon. This carbon bonded with aromatic carbon, and this reactions oxidation of side chain in the presence of acidic KMnO4 or K2Cr27 acidic media or Y concentrate HNO3. वह कार्बन ऑक्सीडाइज होता है जो एरोमेटिक कार्बन से अटैच होता है. द साइड चेन कार्बन ऑक्सीडाइज इन कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड. अगेन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड। किसका ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ? उस कार्बन का जो किससे अटैच है? एरोमेटिक न्यूक्लियस के कार्बन से अटैच है। किसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होता है? इसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होता है। किसका होता है? उस कार्बन का जो एरोमेटिक कार्बन से अटैच है। ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोजाइलिन। ऑर्थोजाइलिन मींस 1 2 dimethyl benzene is called orthoxylene. Oxidation of orthoxylene by acidic KMnO4. Side chain carbon oxidize in carboxylic group and formation of phthalic acid. And this reactions progress 373 to 383 Kelvin and orthoxylene oxidize in a phthalic acid. Side chain carbon of aromatic hydrocarbon oxidize in carboxylic group. Next is the oxidation of paraxylene. It means first methyl and second attach at para position. This is called 1,4-dimethyl benzene or paraxylene. The oxidation of paraxylene by acidic KMnO4 or acidic potassium dichromate are in the presence of the concentrate HNO3. Side chain carbon oxidize alkyl to carboxylic group and formation of terephthalic acid. It means side chain carbon oxidize in carboxylic group. This reaction is called oxidation of side chain carbon in carboxylic group. Paraxylene to terephthalic acid. Itard reactions. This is also the oxidation of the side chain carbon. But this reaction is different. CH3. Oxidation in the presence of CrO2 Cl2 chromyl chloride. Side chain carbon oxidize, but it oxidizes in a aldehyde group, not in a carboxylic group. This reaction is called Itard reactions. This reaction is called Itard reactions, and side chain carbon oxidize in aldehyde functional group, and this reaction is called Itard reactions. Toluene to benzaldehyde. तो ऑक्सीडेशन आपका जब पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट और पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट के द्वारा एसिडिक मीडिया में होता है और कंसंट्रेट HNO3 से होता है, तो आपका जो साइड चेन का एल्काइल ग्रुप है वह कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप में ऑक्सीडाइज होता है। लेकिन वही साइड चेन का कार्बन यदि हम ऑक्सीडेशन क्रोमिल क्लोराइड CrO2 Cl2 से करते हैं तो वह कार्बन साइड चेन का एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप में ऑक्सीडाइज होता है। इस रिएक्शंस को इटार्ड रिएक्शंस कहते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग माय चैनल। थैंक यू।